Right, today we got a divided cooking pot. This is called Cooker Keen, all right? Very simple to install and set up, all right? They give you the actual lid, and the lid has silicone all around it. So you could keep the moisture or anything you want to cook inside well secure in here and won't drip anything on the side. And this, like I said, is silicone, so it could take on heat, including with it the actual silicone serving spoons. They got a drainer, so you could drain some of the liquid, and then they got a scooper here, all right? And then, of course, if you ever done Hotpot, they have two sides, all right? One could be spicy, one could be mild, depending on how you like your meals. Now, included with it, they give you the Allen wrench that becomes a Phillips at the end, all right? Two sides. All right, we set it up, assemble it. Now let's take a look at the bottom of it. If you guys can see, this is where the actual heat resistance is, all right? So, and this also is a non-stick pan too, also, that you use. So you could divide different meals too. So it's not just for hot pot, but you can use it for other accessories too, other types of cooking. I like the bottom of it. This actually heats up pretty quick, and it concentrates pretty much all into this area of the heating pot. And that's something I like about when they come coated like this, because it concentrates pretty much where you want the actual heat to be. In this case, it's going to be pretty much the water boiling and also heating up some of the vegetables and fruits and anything you put in here, meats, pretty much set up. So let's go ahead and start setting it up first. Prior to using it, I recommend you treating the actual system. If you don't know how to treat it, look it up on some videos. You could take a look at it, how to treat an actual brand new, because out of the box, I don't recommend you using it. Make sure you set it up prior to that. All right, so cooking maybe 3 or 4 hours before you start really cooking. All right, with the pot, you could have a non-spicy and spicy side. So it's like a yin and yang sign. It's cooking right now, it's boiling, but looking very well. Right, so the hot pot itself is very successful. Like I said, you could have the spicy, non-spicy on one side, put your vegetables and meat on one end. You could vice versa share the stuff. This is very convenient, very unique, very simple style to cook at home. If you have never tried it, it's something that you guys should try it at home. It's very simple to set up. Now, many different ingredients are out there for this kind of pots that you can use. I like that they give you the silicone spoons, all right? One comes with a strainer, and the other was a scooper pretty much. And these are silicone, so they're fire resistant, very good. As long as you don't keep them direct into the fire. Also, the lid itself, if you guys can see, it's all silicone cover. Now, washing it is very simple also too, because you can actually go in through this crevice here on the side and wash it thoroughly. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.